Hey guys, today I'm filming from inside the G8 in my garage. It's raining outside, the weather isn't too nice, so I'm just going to be filming from in here. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how to replace the window switch in the G8. It should be pretty easy. I got this car a little bit less than a year ago, and one of the reasons why I got it is because it's in great shape. The interior in it, the person who had it prior to me really did take good care of this car. Of course, it is used, so there's a few things here and there that you need a little bit of work, but it's not anything serious. They're very minor. One of the things was the window switch. So right now, when I try using it, it's a little stiff and it doesn't always work. I did reach out to the person who sold it to me, and he pretty much said that at some point somebody spilled a soda on it. And they really did do a good job of cleaning it out, but apparently, I'm thinking that maybe some of the sugar may have seeped in, and it's just never been the same since. But it should be an easy fix. I got this from AC Delco, and I've already unboxed it. Here it is. Can you guys see that? So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to replace it. I'm just setting my camera up here. Money! So I've got my two little pry tools here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be removing it from up here. This is all one piece, so I'm just going to be prying it open from all through here, okay? Okay, so once you've pried it open, you can see it's a little bit loose. Alright, so now that I've removed this, I'm just going to use this flathead screwdriver to pry this open and get this part off of the plate. Alright, yep, and you can see the issue there, which is the soda. There it is. I'm gonna clean this up while I have it all taken apart. I also see some soda in here, so I'm gonna clean that up also. Alright, now that I've cleaned that up, I'm gonna grab my new one. And we're just going to pop that into place, right there. All right, so that's what it looks like put on. So when I took it off, you see it's in place by these little things, so you just go in there and you pry it open through there. So now that's on there, I'm going to put this back in, and we're going to plug it all back in and see if it works. Okay, so that's all popped back in. All right, now let's see if it works. So the main issue was here where I couldn't move the mirrors. So yes, it's perfect. Yep, it works. Now that we've installed the window switch and we know that it works, I want to give you guys my fun fact for today. Of course, it's going to be about the Pontiac G8. So in the United States, the G8 is a Pontiac, but these are actually produced in Australia, where they're actually a Holden Commodore. And I guess another fun fact is they are not a GTO. The GTO is a great car, don't get me wrong, but I cannot tell you how many times I have people telling me, oh my gosh, I love your GTO. It's not a GTO, guys. It's a G8. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.